how to fix login errors on the Shein app. If you're having issues logging into the Shein app, there could have been many reasons why you're failing to log in. The first reason is, of course, your internet connection. So make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working just fine. Then after that, you can simply head over to settings. From settings, if you're on Android, you can go to the option called apps. From apps, you can simply locate or search for the Shein app and tap on it. Then from there, you can go to storage, clear the cached files and clear the data. If you're on iPhone, by the way, you can try to offload the app or reinstall the app. You can also go to your respective app store, check if the Shein app has an update, and if it does have an update, make sure to update it to the latest version. Even after you have done all this, you are not being able to log in, then chances are probably that your login details are incorrect. So when you go to the sign in option and then it will ask you to enter your email or phone number, make sure first of all that the email address that you've entered here is correct and that your password is also correct. So you can tap on the continue option. It might send a verification code or enter your password. In case you happen to forget your password, then you can tap on forgot your password option right here to reset it. If you have linked your Shein account with Google, Facebook or Apple ID, you can also continue to log in with those. But hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the problem to fix the login error on the Shein app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.